Good morning, students. Let us continue from where we have stopped. So previous class we have started the exercise 4A. First Roman we have completed and second Roman few problems we have worked out. Let us see the second question from the second Roman. Find the equation of the ellipse in the form x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equals to 1. One thing it is clear that it is an ellipse whose center is not at the origin. Shifting of origin has been taken place. So origin is shifted to h comma k. Now center 2 comma minus 1. One end of the major axis is 2 comma minus 5. E equals to 1 by 3. Eccentricity is given. So center C is equals to 2 comma minus 1. Major axis. So the ellipse could be like this or like this. So if the ellipse is of this form, this is a greater than b and this is a less than b. Here, if the x coordinates of these two, major axis as well as center, are equal, the major axis of the ellipse is y axis. But here the shifting of origin is taken place not y axis but parallel to y axis. So its equation is x equals to 2 is the equation of the major axis. So x equals to k is the line which is parallel to y axis. So this is y axis. So the major axis is parallel to y axis. Therefore this is the vertical ellipse, not this. This is given C 2 comma minus 1 and this is B. This is the B is given or B dash is given 2 comma minus 5. So here CB is equals to square root of 2 minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 minus of minus. So 5 minus 1 whole square. So this is 5 minus 1 4 square is this is 4. So B is equals to 4. So for the ellipse A less than B, the condition is A square is equals to B square into 1 minus E square. So this is equals to A square is equals to B is 4 square is 16 into 1 minus the value of E is given which is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 whole square is 1 by 9. So 16, 9 ones are 9 minus 1, 8 by 9. This is our A square. Therefore, equation of the ellipse having center h comma k 2 comma minus 1 and A square is 16 into 8 by 9 is x minus 2 whole square by A square is 16 into 8 by 9 plus y plus 1 whole square by b square. B square here is 4 square 16 is equals to 1. This ellipse is this is equals to this is 9 into x minus 2 whole square. This is 9 into x minus 2 whole square into 16 into 8 plus this is y plus 1 whole square by 16 is equals to 1. This implies 1 by 16 if you take common, then 9 into x minus 2 whole square by 8 plus y plus 1 whole square is equals to 1. This implies 9 into x minus 2 whole square plus 8 into y plus 1 whole square is equals to 228 is our equation of the required ellipse. Center 4 comma minus 1, one end of the major axis minus 1 and passes through 8 comma 0. So C h comma k is equals to 4 comma minus 1 and major axis here y coordinates are equal. If y coordinates are equal, the major axis is along x axis, but here shifting of the origin has been taken place because x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equals to 1. Therefore not along x axis but parallel to x axis. So parallel to x axis, so this is the origin and this is the ellipse. This is the parallel to x axis. So parallel to x axis, y equals to k. So major axis is y is equals to minus 1. That means y equals to k is the line which is parallel to x axis. So now this is the horizontal ellipse. So center is this and major axis is this a dash. Center is 4 comma minus 1 and a dash is given. So C a dash is equals to a. This is equals to square root of 4 minus of minus 4 plus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1 whole square 0. So this is equals to 5. So this is a. Therefore equation of the ellipse having center h comma k is equals to 4 comma minus 1 and a is equals to 5 is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equals to 1. So x minus h is minus 4 whole square by a square is 25 plus y minus k minus of minus is plus 1 whole square by b square which we don't know is equal to 1. So this is the ellipse and this ellipse is passing through 8 comma 0. Since this ellipse is passing through 8 comma 0, this implies in the place of x substitute 8 minus 4 whole square 16 by 25 plus y value is 0 plus 1 whole square is 1 by b square equals to 1. From this 1 by b square is equals to 1 minus 16 by 25. 25 ones are 25 minus 16 which is equals to 9 by 25. Therefore equation of the ellipse is x minus 4 whole square by 25 plus y plus 1 whole square by b square. 1 by b square is 9 by 25 but b square is 25 by 9 is equals to 1. This is equals to x minus 4 whole square by 25 plus 9 into y plus 1 whole square by 25 equals to 1. Therefore x minus 4 whole square plus 9 into y plus 1 whole square is equals to 25 is the equation of the required ellipse. center 0 comma minus 3 h comma k, eccentricity is given, semi-minor axis is 5. Here semi-minor axis is given, but we are not sure which ellipse it is. So it could be A greater than B or A less than B. So we have to consider both the cases. First of all, if A is greater than B, that means the ellipse is of this form. The ellipse of this form. A greater than B, this is origin and this is C now. So here A greater than B, this is major axis and this is minor axis and this is greater than B. So if A is greater than B, then the condition is B square equals to A square into 1 minus E square. So this is equals to B square is, for this minor axis is B dash. Semi minor axis means B is equals to given. So given that for A greater than B, so this ellipse, so this is minor axis and this A dash is major axis. So B dash is the minor axis where CB is semi minor axis. So this is equals to, given that B is equals to 5. Now B square is 25 equals to A square into 1 minus E value is 2 by 3, E square is 4 by 9. So this is equals to A square into 9 minus 4, 5 by 9, 25. So 5 5s are 25. Therefore A square is equals to 9 5s are 45. So from this equation of the required ellipse is, this is h comma k and A, B are there. So x minus h whole square by A square plus y minus k whole square by B square equals to 1. So this is x minus 0 whole square. So x square by A square is 45 plus y minus of minus. So y plus 3 whole square by B square is 25 equals to 1. So this is one case. Otherwise, if A less than B, then the ellipse is of this form. Since center is other than the origin, so shifting of origin is happened here, and A less than B means this is the vertical ellipse like this. So this ellipse, for this ellipse, this is C and this is B dash, this is A dash. So if the ellipse is this, then A dash is the minor axis and B dash is the major axis. So semi-minor axis is given that semi-minor axis is here CA or CA dash is equals to 5. Given that CA equals to CA dash is equals to A, which is equals to 5. So if A is less than B, the condition is A square equals to B square into 1 minus E square. So 25 is equals to B square into 1 minus 4 by 9. So B square into 9 ones are 9 minus 4, 5 by 9 is 25. So 5 5s are 25. Therefore B square is equals to 9 5s are 45. Therefore equation of the ellipse is x minus 0 whole square, that is x square by A square is 25 plus y minus of minus, so y plus 3 whole square by B square is 45 equals to 1. Therefore the ellipse could be this or this. center 2 comma minus 1 eccentricity is given, length of the lateral sectum is 4. Again, we don't know which ellipse it is. It could be A greater than B case or A less than B case, what we have discussed the previous problem. So if A is greater than B, then the length of the lateral sectum is 2B square by A. If A is greater than B in this case, so the length of the lateral sectum is 2B square by A. So this is equals to 4. So 2 times this is equals to B square equals to 2A. So we have B square is equals to A square into 1 minus E square. From this, in the place of B square, let us replace B square with this. A square into 1 minus E square equals to 2A. So this is equals to this and this gets cancelled. So A into 1 minus E square is 1 by 4 is equals to 2. So A into 4 ones are 4 minus 1, 3 by 4 equals to 2. Therefore A is equals to 4 twos are 8 by 3. A is 8 by 3. Then B square equals to how much? 2 into A. 2 8s are 16 by 3. So from this, A square is equals to 64 by 9. Therefore, equation of the ellipse with the h comma k 2 minus 1 is x minus 2 whole square by A square 64 by 9 plus y plus 1 whole square by B square is 16 by 3 is equals to 1. So this is equals to 9 into x minus 2 whole square by 64 plus 3 into y plus 1 whole square by 16 equals to 1. So this is equals to the LCM of 64 and 16 is by 64. This is 9 into x minus 2 whole square plus 64 by 16 is 4. 4 3s are 12 into y plus 1 whole square is equals to 1. Therefore, 9 into x minus 2 whole square plus 12 into y plus 1 whole square is equals to 64. Or if A is less than B, if A is less than B, that is this parabola, this ellipse, in that case, length of the lateral sectum is 2A square by B is equals to 4. 4 is given. So 2 times. Therefore, A square equals to 2 into B, 2B. So, if A is greater than B, the condition is A square is equals to B square into 1 minus E square. So, this is A square can be replaced by B square into 1 minus E square, which is equals to 2B. So, this and this gets cancelled. So, B into, so 3 by 4 is equals to 2. Therefore, B is equals to 4 2s are 8, 8 by 3. From this, B square is 64 by 9 and A square is equals to 2 into 8, 16 by 3. Therefore, the equation of the ellipse be x minus 2 whole square by A square is 16 by 3 plus y plus 1 whole square by B square is 64 by 9 equals to 1. Therefore, we will get this is 3 into this is 3 into x minus 2 whole square by 16 plus 9 into y plus 1 whole square by 64 equals to 1. This is equals to 64 is the LCM. So 64 by 16 is 4. 4 3s are 12 into x minus 2 whole square plus. So 64 by 64 1 into 9 into y plus 1 whole square is equals to 1. Therefore, the required ellipse is 12 into x minus 2 whole square plus 9 into y plus 1 whole square is equals to 64. So it could be one of the two ellipse. A man running on a race course notices that the sum of the distances of the two flat posts from him is always 10 meters and the distance between the flat posts is 8 meters. Find the equation of the race course traced by the man. So this is nothing but the application of the ellipse what we have discussed before. Curve tracing of an ellipse we have discussed before. Okay, so SP plus S dash P is equals to 2A. So that means, let us suppose that this is the trace course. This is the race course and let these two be the positions of the flat posts S and S dash. And let us suppose that this is this Px1 y1 be the position of a man. Now what is given is the sum of the distances of the two flat posts from him. So that means Ps dash plus Ps, this is equals to 10 meters given. So Ps plus Ps dash is equals to 10 meters is given. Now, and the distance between the flag posts is 8 meters given. So that means this is 8, this is 4 comma 0 and this is minus 4 comma 0. This is minus 4 comma 0 and this is 4 comma 0. Let S comma S dash be the positions of flag posts. Let S comma S dash be the positions of the flag posts and O be the midpoint of S dash. Let Px1 comma y1 be the position of a man. So given condition is the distance between the two foci S dash is 8. That means this is 4 comma 0, this is minus 4 comma 0. So given condition is Ps plus Ps dash equals to 10 meters. So from this Ps is equals to 10 minus Ps dash. So Ps square is equals to 10 minus Ps dash whole square. This is 100 plus Ps dash square minus 2 tens are 20 Ps dash. is PS square is equals to. So here, what is PS? PS is distance between the 2 points. So x1 minus of minus x1 plus 4 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square, that is S dash P, distance formula. So what is SP? Distance between x1, y1 and 4 comma 0. So now this is, what is SP square here? x1 minus 4 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square, that is y1 square is equals to. So PS is distance between the 2 points, square root of, but PS square and root will be eliminated. So 100 plus PS dash is x1 minus of minus, so x1 plus 4 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square, so y1 square minus 20 into PS dash. So PS dash is square root of x1 plus 4 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square, which is y1 square. So this is equals to y1 square on both the sides gets cancelled. This is x1 square, 4 square 16 minus 2 4s are 8x1 is equals to 100 plus x1 square, 4 square 16 plus 2 4s are 8x1 minus 20 into x1 plus 4 whole square plus y1 square. This is equals to x1 square plus 16, x1 square plus 16 on both the sides gets cancelled. So this is equals to minus 20 into this, if you transpose this side, 20 into x1 plus 4 whole square plus y1 square is equals to. So this is 100 minus, this is plus 8x1, if minus 8x1, if you transpose onto another side, 8x1 plus 8x1, 16x1.
100 plus 16x1.
So this is equals to, so if you cancel 4 throughout the equation, then we'll get 4 5s are 20. So 5 into x1 plus 4 whole square plus y1 square is equals to, so 4 25. So this is 25 minus 4x1. This is equals to, again if you square on both sides, squaring on both sides, this is 25 into x1 plus 4 whole square plus y1 square is equals to, this is 25 minus 4x1 whole square. This is equals to 25 into x1 square plus y1 square plus 4 square 16 plus 2 4s are 8x1. This is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 4x1, 8x1, 2ab term is equals to 25 whole square, 625 plus 4x1 whole square, 16x1 square minus 2 into 25, 50 into 4, 200x1. So this is equals to 25x1 square, this 16x1 square, if you transpose this side, 25 minus 16, which is 9x1 square plus this is 25y1 square. Students are requested to make a note here. This is 8x1 minus 8x1, if you transpose onto another side, 8x1 plus 8x1, 16x1. So, and 4 we have cancelled, therefore this is plus. So this is plus. Now, this is equals to 25 into 8x1 is 200x1, 200x1 gets cancelled. Now 25 into 16 is 400. This is equals to 625 minus 400, which is 225. Therefore, the equation, the locus of Px1 y1 is 9x square plus 25y square equals to 225. Therefore, the required ellipse is x square by 25 plus y square by 9 is equals to 1. A line of fixed length a plus b moves so that its ends are always on two fixed perpendicular straight lines. Let us take these two are the two lines which are perpendicular to each other. Let us take x-axis and y-axis, O being the origin. A line of fixed length a plus b moves so that its ends are always on two fixed perpendicular lines. So, actually there is a line which is of length a plus b is there. Now, prove that the marked point on the line. So, let this be the marked point P x1 comma y1 be the marked point on this line, which divides this line into portions of length A and B. So this P divides this line AB into of lengths A and B. So this is A and this is B. So that means this is B comma 0 and this is 0 comma A into portions of length A describes an ellipse and also find the eccentricity of the ellipse. You may ask a question, why I have taken A on y-axis and B on x-axis. I can even take A here and B here, but here A is 8 and B is 12. So A is less than B. Therefore, this ellipse is A less than B ellipse. Therefore, I have chosen in this way. Now, let AB be the given line. Let AB be the given line and Px1 y1 be the marked point. Now, I will drop a perpendicular from P onto x-axis and y-axis. So, M and N. Let M comma N be the perpendiculars of P on x comma y axis. So that means this is x1 and this is y1. So then this and this are equal angles. Both are equal angles. Now this is x1, this is also x1 and this is y1. Now in triangle PMB, in triangle PMB implies sin theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side of this theta is y1, hypotenuse is b. So y1 by b. So from this, and in triangle ANP, cos theta is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse x1 by a. So this is equals to, now from this sin square theta is y1 square by b square. Here cos square theta is equals to x1 square by a square. So adding 1 and 2, that means sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So therefore x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square is equals to sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Therefore the locus of the marked point p x1 y1 is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. Now we need to find out the eccentricity of the ellipse. Here a is less than b. If a is less than b, so the condition is a square a less than b. So e is equals to here e is b square minus a square by b square. So this is equals to b square is 144 minus 64 by b square 144. So 14 minus 6, so this is root 80 by root 144 is 12. So this can be written as 16 5s. 16 5s root 80. So root 16 into root 5. Root 16 is 4. 4 root 5 by 12. So 4 3s are 12. So root 5 by 3 is the eccentricity. Prove that the equation of the chord joining the points alpha beta on the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1 is this we need to show. That means this is the ellipse given and p alpha point and q beta point. Let us take the parametric points on the ellipse. So this is the chord joining the 2 points. P alpha is, what is the parametric point of the ellipse? A cos theta, B sin theta. Therefore here A cos alpha, B sin alpha, A cos beta, A cos beta, B sin beta we will take. Let P alpha comma Q beta be the 2 points on the ellipse. So P is equals to A cos alpha, B sin alpha, and Q is equals to A cos beta, B sin beta. Equation of the chord joining 2 points is, so this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, 2 points form. Y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this implies y minus y1 is b sin alpha, y2 minus y1 b sin beta minus b sin alpha. Take b in common, sin beta minus sin alpha by x2 minus x1 a cos beta minus a cos alpha. Take a in common, so cos beta minus cos alpha into x minus x1 a cos alpha. This is equals to y minus b sin alpha is equals to b by a sin c minus sin d 2 cos c c plus b by 2 beta plus alpha by 2 sin beta minus alpha by 2 by, so cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin beta plus alpha by 2 sin beta minus alpha by 2 into x minus a cos alpha. So here 2 gets cancelled, sin beta minus alpha by 2 sin beta minus alpha by 2 gets cancelled. So this is, do cross multiplication, a into y ay minus a into b ab sin alpha is equals to, this is into sin beta plus alpha by 2 also. So this is a sin beta plus alpha by 2 into this, I just cross multiplied, is equals to, minus is there in the RHS itself, so this is minus b cos beta plus alpha by 2 into x minus a cos alpha. So this is equals to minus b into x bx cos alpha plus beta by 2 minus into minus plus ab cos beta plus alpha by 2 into cos alpha. This is equals to a y sin beta plus alpha by 2 minus a b sin alpha into sin alpha plus beta by 2. This is equals to this. This is what we have got in the previous step. Now you bring this onto RHS. So bx cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus ay sin alpha plus beta by 2 is equals to, so this minus ab, if you transpose onto another side, it is plus ab. So ab cos alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha plus ab sin alpha into sin alpha plus beta by 2. This is equals to ab, this is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, cos a minus b, so cos alpha plus beta by 2 minus alpha. This is equals to ab cos alpha plus beta minus 2 alpha by 2. This is equals to ab cos beta alpha minus 2 alpha is minus alpha by 2. So this is equals to bx cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus ay sin alpha plus beta by 2. Now let us divide by ab. Let us divide by ab on both the sides, then we'll get bx cos alpha plus beta by 2 by ab plus ay sin alpha plus beta by 2 by ab is equals to, ab by ab is 1, so cos beta minus alpha by 2. So here this b gets cancelled and a gets cancelled. Therefore x by a cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b sin alpha plus beta by 2 is equals to cos beta minus alpha by 2 is the equation of the chord joining the 2 points.